so let's do one more example. Again, this is an initial value problem, but we have to begin with solving the equation first. Right, so first we need to find the integrating factor, right? So the coefficient at y here is cosine t. So the integrating factor is e to the power antiderivative of cosine t dt is e. The antiderivative of cosine t is sine t. So we get e to the sine t. Right, so the integrating factor is what you need to multiply the whole thing with to get to transform your equation. Right, so it means that we need to multiply our whole equation by e to the power sine t. Right, so by doing it, we'll get e to the sine t times y prime plus e to the sine t times cosine t times y equals e to the power 2t, and then we have minus sine t plus sine t is nothing, so that's just it. Okay, great. Now, as the according to the method, the left hand side should be e to the power sine t, which is our integrating factor, times y, everything prime. Is it correct? Well, actually yes, if you try to differentiate the product, then you will get e to the sine t times y prime, that's the first sum, times y, multiplied by the derivative of e to the sine t, which is exactly e to the sine t times cosine t, equals to e to the 2t. But then it means that e to the sine t times y is the antiderivative of e to the 2t. So let me write it. E to the sine t times y is actually the antiderivative of e to the 2t dt, which is, what is it? 1/2 e to the 2t plus constant. So therefore, y. By the way, we could have found the constant here, but for linear equations it doesn't really matter whether you do it now or you do it later. So let me just, to demonstrate that it does matter, let me do it later. Right, so it means that y is, so we need to solve for y, so which means we have to divide the whole thing by e to the sine t. Right, so then we'll get 1/2 e to the 2t plus constant times e to the minus sine t. Right, so at this point we got the general solution of the differential equation, so we haven't started doing the initial condition yet. So in order to solve for c, we need to apply the initial condition. So let me write y again equals 1/2 e to the 2t plus constant times e to the minus sine t here. So that's the general solution. Then we need to make use of the initial condition. Y of 0 is 7. So 7 equals 1/2 times e to the 0 is 1 plus constant times e to the sine 0 is 0, e to the 0 is 1. So which means that our constant is 7 minus 1/2 is 6.5. And so therefore our final answer is that y equals how should I write it? Okay, e to the 2t plus 13 over 2 e to the, so because 13 over 2 is 6.5, is 6.5 minus sine t. Alright, so that's the final answer.